breakfast is ready. Wait, Jack. Something feels wrong. My head is spinning. Mom, are you okay?
Emma, you look very pale. Sit down right now, please.
I just feel really dizzy, Ethan. And my whole body feels hot.
Let me check. Oh no, you have a very high fever, Emma. You need a rest immediately.
But who will cook and clean today? Don't worry, Mom. Dad and I can handle everything.
Yes, Mommy, we will take care of the house today. Please just rest.
Are you sure, kids? This house is a lot of work. We are sure, Mom. How hard can it really be?
Famous last word, Jack. Now off to the bed, Emma. We've got this.
Okay, team. First thing, breakfast for everyone.
I will make my famous scrambled eggs.
Can I help too, Dad?
Of course, Sophia. You can crack the eggs carefully.
Oops, shell is in the bowl.
That's okay, sweetie. Just try again.
This is harder than it looks. Mom makes it seem so easy.
Keep going, kids. We can figure this out together. Breakfast is finally ready, everyone.
Wow, Dad. These eggs taste a little strange.
I may have added too much salt.
It's still good effort, though.
Now, let's tackle the laundries next. Jack, put the clothes in the washing machine.
Okay, Dad. Which button do I press?
Just press this big one right here.
I think that's correct. Whoa, so many bubbles everywhere. Did we use too much detergent, Dad?
Maybe just little bit too much, son. Mom never told me the exact amount.
The whole laundry room is full of bubbles now. This is actually kind of fun, Dad.
Fun, yes, but also very big mess to clean up. Okay, let's move to the kitchen. It's almost lunchtime, kids. I will cook rice in the pressure cooker. That should be simple enough for me.
Dad, how long does the rice need to cook?
I'm not totally sure, Jack. Maybe just little longer than usual to be safe.
Dad, is that pot supposed to be shaking like that?
That does seem unusual behavior for a pot.
Dad, I think something is really wrong here.
Everybody get down right now.
Oh my goodness, rice is everywhere. It's on the ceiling, the walls, and the floor.
Is everyone okay? Please tell me you are not hurt.
We're okay, Dad, just very surprised. That was really loud and scary.
I'm sorry, kids. I forgot to release the pressure first. Mom always does that step before opening it.
This kitchen is a complete disaster now. Rice is literally everywhere I look.
Let's clean this up quickly before Mom sees this mess.
Too late, Ethan. I already smell burning rice.
Mom, you're supposed to be resting.
I heard a huge explosion, Ethan. I got worried and came downstairs.
It's fine, Emma. Just a small cooking mishap. Please go back and rest now.
A small mishap? Rice is stuck to the ceiling.
Okay, maybe a medium-sized mishap.
Please, Mom, let us handle it. Go back to bed and get better. Fine, but please be more careful, everyone.
I promise, Emma. We'll figure this out. Now back to bed you go. We have got everything under control here.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, let's clean the living room next. I'll vacuum while you two dust.
Got it, Dad. I'll dust all the shelves carefully.
I'll help. And I'll do the windows, Daddy.
This vacuum is making a very strange noise.
Did it eat something it shouldn't have, Dad?
Let me check what is happening inside here. Oh no, it seems to have eaten one of Sophia's socks.
My favorite sock. Please get it out, Daddy.
I'm trying, sweetie. Just hold on a second. There we go. Socks safely rescued from the vacuum.
Thank you, Daddy. That was very scary.
Now let's fold this laundry properly, kids.
These towels look a little bit different somehow.
Did we accidentally wash something red with them?
Oh no, my white shirt is now pink.
Jack, is this red shirt yours by any chance?
Maybe, Dad. I might have added it by mistake.
Well, now everything matches in pink, I suppose.
Look on the bright side, Jack.
Okay, let's move on to preparing dinner right now. I'll try something simple this time. Maybe soup.
That sounds much safer than rice, Dad.
Agreed completely, son. No more explosions today, please. Chopping vegetables is actually pretty difficult. My hands are getting really tired
Going,
now.
Dad. You're doing great so far.
Thanks for encouragement, kids. I really need it right now.
The soup smells a little bit burnt, actually.
Maybe I left this stove on too high.
Can we call Mom for help, Dad?
No. We can handle this ourselves, Sophia.
Is that smoke coming from the kitchen?
Oh no, soup is burning very badly now. Everyone quick, open all the windows immediately. This kitchen needs some serious fresh air right now.
What in the world is happening down here?
Ethan, please, you should be resting upstairs. I smelled smoke, Ethan. I had to come check on everyone.
We're okay, Mom. Just a very small kitchen fire.
It's under control.
A small fire? The whole kitchen looks completely gray with smoke.
Okay, perhaps a medium-sized kitchen fire this time.
This house is falling apart without me, isn't it?
No, Mom, please don't say that. We're trying our very best here.
I can see that, sweetie, and I appreciate it deeply. But maybe I should help a little bit, just this once.
No, Emma, you need your rest to get better.
We can order pizza tonight instead.
That actually sounds like a wonderful idea, Ethan. Let's do that instead of cooking anymore today.
Finally, some peace and quiet, everyone.
Look at this house, Dad. It looks completely different somehow.
You mean like a disaster zone, Jack?
Yes, exactly that description, unfortunately.
Kids, come sit with me for a moment. I think we all learned something very important today.
What did you learn, Dad? Please share your thoughts with us.
I learned that she works incredibly difficult every single day. She cooks, clean, and take care of everyone without complaining once. I never realized how much mom actually does for us.
Me too, Dad. I broke a sock, ruined laundry, and started a small kitchen fire. And I nearly blew up our entire kitchen with rice.
We really underestimated mom's daily work completely.
From now on, we should help Mom every single day. Not just when she's sick, but all the time.
That's a beautiful lesson, kids. Mom deserves so much more appreciation and help from us. Hi, everyone. We're feeling much better now.
Mom, we have something very important to say to you. We are so sorry we never helped enough before, Mom. Your work is
Really, really hard. Oh, my sweet family, thank you so much for saying that.
We promise to help you every day from now on.
That truly means the world to me, my darlings.
Let's clean this house together as one team.
Remember, everyone, always appreciate the people who take care of you.
Their work is harder than it ever looks.
Help out whenever you can, every single day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.